Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'll be telling you how to use Find My iPhone feature from your computer. Whether you're using Windows PC or you're using the Apple MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any Apple computer, you'll be able to use this feature. Uh, in simpler words, I will say any device on which you can connect to internet using a web browser, you can use this feature. So this feature, if you're not aware of this feature will tell you how to reset or protect your phone in case of a theft, or if it's misplaced or something like that. So that is something really good feature which Apple is providing, but it has a limitation as well. In this case, if you want to locate a PC or a iPhone or any Apple device, in that case it has to be connected to the internet. So whenever you start using a new Apple product, you have to log in to this particular product using your Apple ID credentials. So that Apple ID credentials will be used everywhere for every Apple service. So in this case, what you have to do is, like, this is my website. Here the steps are explained. I'll be sharing the link for this particular page in the description of this video. What you have to do is, like, you can go to this website, and you from here you can access the iCloud page. When you go to the iCloud page, it's loading. It's kind of some slow internet working today for me. So I'll write my Apple ID. Sure. No. I'll type the password. So now I'll sign in. So as soon as I sign in, this will take me to my find my phone feature. Now this compass is working and it's trying to locate my devices on the internet. Yeah, here I'll be like getting all the devices list here. For now they are just searching for the locations. So now, like, here are my devices. uh, like, I'll just click on my iPhone device so that I can show you some more options. So this is something like a map which is loaded. Here you will be getting the options which you need to, which you can, I think, which you can do on your iPhone. Like, you can play sound. So, like, suppose if you're not finding your phone somewhere but you want to ring it, even if it's in silent mode, if you're clicking this, it will be playing the sound on your mobile device. Like, I'll try now. My phone is with me. I'll press on play sound. Like, just check how fast it's responding. I'm waiting. Yeah, I think you can hear the sound. So as soon as I unlock my phone and press any button, it will show lost mode and erase iPhone. I'm not proceeding with the settings, but when you put on lost mode, it will just start searching for a new connection or an internet connection, and it will be alerting you with the locations. Erase iPhone is something like you show that your phone is lost and you're not able to trace it back. Like, suppose you misplace it on an airport or somewhere where it is very difficult for you to go back. So in that case, you can directly erase your iPhone. So this will completely erase the data, and I think these are the features which are available for the Find My iPhone for any Apple device. This will not work only for iPhone, this will work for all the Apple devices, let it be your laptop or your Apple Watch or any gadget which you're using. So this is a pretty cool feature, and I think you should all start using this. I hope my video is very informative. Just subscribe to my notifications. Keep increasing my subscribers. Thanks for supporting me. Goodbye.